email extractor software and my tip to make $100 every single day. Welcome everyone, this is me Prasanna, and today I'm going to show you a software that can extract emails from various sources. And now it's not limited to extracting emails, because this video is about making money from home. Okay, whether you are a student, whether you are a working at home mom, or whatever it is, you can go and get this software and start making money. Okay, but you have to follow the steps. You just can't just go and get the software and extract emails and that's it. Okay, so that's not what you are going to do. Okay, because I'll be giving you a stepwise process on what you have to do and what not to do. Okay, so you have to be very attentive and watch this entire video. Do not skip and watch this video till the end, because a lot of people, when they just go and watch the 5 minutes of this video, they think they know everything but they get stuck. Okay, so please I request you guys to please watch this video till the end so that you can make money. Okay, so I want to help you guys, I want to force you guys to go and make money. Okay, so now let's get started. This the best email extractor software. You can extract emails by searching keywords. Okay, so suppose you have a product related to yoga. Okay, so you have to search keywords related to yoga. Okay, but in this example, and what I recommend to all the newbies is go with this make money online niche. Okay, because everybody wants to make money online around the world. Okay, so go and insert some keywords out here. Okay, work from home, online job, work at home, passive income ideas. Okay, so you can just think of ideas related to work from home. Okay, side hustle. Okay, so you can write like side hustle. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of keywords. Okay, so you can do that, and after you do that, you have to choose the country. Okay, so you want email addresses of people who are from the United States, because most of the conversions happen there. Okay, whenever you are promoting an offer, the conversion happens when you get USA traffic. Okay, and if you watch this video till the end, okay, so in between the video I'll give you a tip where you can get 200 leads, USA leads every single day in your inbox. Okay, so for that, keep watching this video. Okay, so now you can see out here we inserted the keywords out here. Remember, you do not have to you do not need any product. Okay, because I'll tell you where to go and find products to sell, which you do not have to buy. Okay, you just have to sell these products and get commission up to 75%. Okay, so we'll get to that in a moment, but let's just insert the keywords and click OK. Okay, so now what this software will do is that it will go and extract this links. Okay, first it will extract links related to work from home. You can see the keywords out here. Okay, work from home. Okay, so all the keywords, online job. Okay, so it will go and find email addresses of people who are interested in making money online. Okay, so you will come back to this page in a while. It will take some time for this software to work. And remember, this software has an email extractor, it also has an email verify tool, and the most important, it also has the bulk email sender. Okay, so we'll be extracting emails, we'll be verifying those emails, and we'll be sending emails. Okay, so this is the main step out here. But before that, let's head over to clickbank.com. okay, so if you do not know what a clickbank.com is, so if you do not know what clickbank.com is, it's a website where you can find products to promote. Okay, these are digital products. Okay, that means whenever you make a sale, you make commission instantly. Okay, so physical products takes time for shipping, etc. It will take months to get your commission. Okay, but digital products, you get instant commission. Okay, so there are a lot of offers out here which you can promote. Okay, you do not have to create any products, remember. Okay, so just sort it by gravity, high to low, and when you do that, the products that come on the top are the products that get the most conversion. Okay, gravity more. Remember, you do not have to go with the make money online niche. There are different niches in the left hand side of the of this site, where you can go and choose another product to promote. Okay, but if you are newbie, I want you guys to go and get promote make money online niche. Okay, so now these are some products which you need to promote. Okay, so and you'll earn like $134.41 per conversions. Okay, so how cool is that? Okay, so in order to promote this product, just go to this promote link out here, insert your nickname. Okay, and that nickname is not your home nickname. Okay, nickname is a username that you make while creating a ClickBank account. Okay, so for example, this one, and you just have to create hop link, and this is, you just have to copy this. Okay, this is the link that will get tracked back to you. That means every sales, whenever a person clicks this link and they purchase something, you make a commission of $134. Okay, so yeah, first. And it also has a recurring income of $35.29. That means you will make $35 every single month. Okay, so let's say you just referred 100 people in a month. Okay, so from the second month, without doing any work, 35 into 100, that is $2,500 every single month without doing any work. Okay, so the more you send emails, the more you make sales, the more recurring income you can get. Okay, and this is passive income I'm talking about. Okay, so I'll also give you more tips on this, but you just wait for some times. Okay, keep watching this video. Now sometimes ClickBank do not accept new users for, I don't know, various reasons. For that, just go to digistore24.com. okay, so if you go to digistore24, it's similar to ClickBank. It has less offers, but it has enough offers to go and start running some campaigns. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of offers out there. It's similar. Okay, so for this you have to your promo link is here. Okay, so you have to copy this promo link, and this is the link that will get tracked back to you. Okay, so now of course we are not promoting keto meal out here. Let's go to internet marketing and e-business. Okay, so when you go to this this, okay, let's open it. Okay, yeah, you can see there are a lot of offers out here. Okay, so yeah, some paying you $225 per sale. Okay, so actually this is a $997 product, but they have a promotion going on, so it's reduced to $577, and you'll make commission to $25. Okay, so yeah, this does not have a recurring income, but it's okay. Okay, so it's a single payment or installment payment. Okay, so if you just make like 100 sales, just do the math. Okay, so you'll make a lot of money selling these products. Okay, so the goal of this video is to help you make money. Okay, because I'm going to give you a tip soon. Okay, let's go and let's see out here if there are some results. Okay, okay, yeah, this software is extracting emails, but I'll just stop it for now. Okay, so these are the emails of people who will be interested in making money online. Okay, so now there are also some website emails. Okay, so but those websites are people, those are who are affiliate. Okay, so affiliate people, they make blogs, they make a lot of websites. Okay, so and when we get the contact of them, I have done this a lot of times, I make more money instead of sending emails or promotion link to personal emails. When I send it to business emails, I get more conversions. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so first of all, we go and extract emails. We extracted emails. Now we'll just verify those emails. Okay, so you can verify those emails using this software. I do not want to verify it right now because we want to go to the next step fast. Okay, so next thing is you extract emails, then you verify emails, you remove all the duplicate emails, all the fake emails. You can see some emails like this. Okay, so all these emails it will remove. Okay, but please leave the software open for at least 2 hours so that you can get at least 5k emails. Okay, we want to send at least 5k emails every single day. Okay, to get conversions. Okay, so after that you need this bulk email sender. Okay, so now this bulk email sender software is awesome. Okay, all you have to do is write your subject line and write your emails and click OK. Then after that you have to send it. Okay, so this email extractor comes with email verify tool and bulk email sender. Okay, now there's one thing you need to know. Okay, so there's one thing you need to know before you do anything. Okay, while promoting this offer, okay, while promoting any offer actually. Okay, so you may not know how to write emails. Okay, so I also do not recommend you to write your own emails. Okay, so you just have to go to this product page out here, and you can see here affiliate page. Okay, so you can see out here affiliate support page. Okay, so just go to this affiliate page. Okay, so here you will find emails that are already written for you. Okay, so that it becomes really easy. Okay, emails already written for you. And okay, so let's go and find. Okay, so there are different offers. Now you can see here upsell for landing pages, email swipes. Okay, so now email swipes are written for you by expert copywriters. Okay, so these are copywriters who are experts. Okay, so you can see email 1, 2. Okay, so there are 10 emails. Okay, so by the time you send 10 emails, okay, so you'll get a sale. Okay, because not everyone will buy your product in your first email. Okay, because they do not know you. Okay, so they want to know more about the product. Okay, so you have to go and copy paste this email on the software. Okay, so out here. Okay, so you have to do, what you have to do is just go and, okay, this is the subject line out here, just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and again head over back. Okay, we do not need pre-header, and okay, actually copy till here. Okay, so because you have to do something which, if you do not do that, you will not make money. Okay, so after you paste this email out here, okay, so you have to see here, click here to complete the application if interested. Okay, so you just have to mark it as bold and you have to insert link. Now what will be your link out here? Actually I'll go here. Okay, so we copied the link all the way. Okay, so now this is the hop link. Okay, so you can see this is the link. You can promote this link. Okay, actually promote this link than the link which we got from, okay, so from here. Okay, so the link which we got from here, instead of this, just go out here and once you copy the email, okay, once you copy the email, you can see out here your ClickBank ID. Okay, so now this is the place where you have to insert your username of your ClickBank. Okay, so for example, if your username is John567, okay, so you have to insert it this way. Okay, so do not forget to insert your username out here. Okay, so once you insert it out here, now you just do this out here. You can cut it now and remove this part and go head over to this email and click insert link. Okay, so you have to insert the link out here and click OK. Okay, so now your email is ready to be sent. Okay, make sure you write your name. Okay, so let's say your name is John. Okay, so you have to click OK now out here, and you have to start emailing. Okay, you have to start emailing. Okay, so if you want to test, you can also test out here. Current project. Okay, now there are just 40 emails that are out here, but we do not want to send right now. Okay, so if you want to send right now, you just have to click, and you have to click this start mailing. Okay, so if you click start mailing, it will start sending the emails and you'll start getting the commissions. Okay, but remember, the first email won't get you sales. Okay, so I'm being brutally honest out here, because you may get sales, but do not expect sales on your first email. Okay, because you have to continue sending emails. Okay, one day, the second day, third day. You can actually send every 12 hours. Okay, do not send more than actually you can send every 24 hours. Okay, so that's better for you. Okay, so you do not want to spam. Okay, so once they go and read these emails, okay, remember to always insert your affiliate link. Okay, so this is the link, but you have to change your ClickBank ID out here. Okay, so you can also get other things to promote if you want, but never mind. So this is the step. Okay, so you extract emails, you verify those emails, and you send emails. Okay, now this software, in order to send bulk emails, okay, you will need SMTP server. Okay, so if you go and get this software, I'll show you a way where you can get SMTP server for cheap. Okay, so you need SMTP server for this software, but I'll give you all the resources. Okay, actually I'll give you all the resources. So just go to the link, topemailextractor.com, and once you go to that link, I will give you all the resources that you need. Okay, I'll send you a link, I'll give you a page where you'll find all the resources where you can go and get it. Okay, whether you want to get SMTP servers, whether you want to get a landing page. Okay, so now let's talk about landing page. Now ClickBank, Digistore24, or any affiliate networks, okay, they do not like you to directly send traffic from email. Okay, that means you do not want to get suspended. Okay, for that. Okay, so for that, actually, while sending emails, you do not want to direct link your ClickBank offers. Okay, so for that you need a landing page. Okay, so everything about landing page, everything about SMTP servers, everything, all the resources I know, all the ways I know how to make money. So just go to topemailextractor.com and insert your email there. Okay, then there I'll send you a link to all the resources which I put it in one place. Okay, I want you guys to succeed. Okay, so for email marketing, how to make money using email marketing, everything will be there. So please go and subscribe and make sure you whitelist my email. Okay, so that is what I want you to do. So let's go to this page once. Okay, so Okay, so you can see, okay, we noticed, okay, so I was inactive for 15 minutes. Okay, so now you can see my name out here. Okay, so I have to log in. Never mind, let's log in first. Okay, you can see my name out here. Okay, so I just logged in out here. I'll even reload the page. Okay, so I blurred out this because I do not want to show you my exact campaign that I'm running. But yeah, I'm not just beating around the bush. Okay, so because I have made money. Okay, this is not to brag, this is just for you guys, for you to know that you can do this. Okay, you can make money like I do. Okay, so just follow the steps. And now comes the bonus part. Okay, since you have watched this video till the end, I will show you a system where you can get 200 leads every single day from USA. Okay, so you can go and email them. Okay, you can promote your offers, affiliate offers from ClickBank, Digistore, or whether you have a service, whether you have any product, you can go and promote your product and make money. Okay, so those leads are from USA and they are very, very responsive. Okay, so in order to do that, I'll take you to a site. Okay, just go to the link on the description of this video where I have written USA leads. Okay, so just go, and if you want to get 100 leads every day without a website, without paid traffic, and all for just $1 per day, for $1 per day you are getting 200 USA leads. Okay, so and you can email them. You also have an email sender inside this software. Okay, so this is the bonus for you I'm using, and for one day 200 leads. Okay, so this is a steal. Okay, so in 30 days, okay, so you'll have 6,000 leads under you, and you can email them every single day. Okay, you can email them every single day for the whole 30 days. And again, next month, the 6,000 plus 6,000, you'll have 12,000. Okay, then again the next month you'll add 6,000. That means in the month of in just 3 months you'll have a email list of 18,000 people. Okay, so if you are interested, just go to the link and you can join MLGS now. Okay, so now what's MLGS? Okay, so you just go and get all these details out here and lock in your spot today. Okay, so I'll also give you a tip on how to make more money from this system. Okay, so if you go and get this system from the link on the description. Okay, so that's only the catch out here. Okay, so I'll give you, I'm here to give you all the tips, all the ways, all the direction to make money. Okay, so all you have to do is just use the links on the description to support this channel, and I'll show you the ways, all the ways I know to make money online. And it is very, very easy to make money online if you know the exact steps, exact direction, and exact ways. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. Please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. Okay, so I'll see you inside this system and also inside that email extractor. Okay, so thank you very much again. I take a leave. Bye bye and see you.